Hey guys, so I'm on my way and I was supposed to reach a bit earlier, but I got late because who gets up early in the mornings, on weekends especially. So I got half an hour late. My friends would kill me. They would be cursing me because they told me to reach by 7:30, but I'm still like on the way. So
सही से नहीं खाया ब्लॉगिंग शुरू हो गई है
So guys, we are almost near Rishikesh and we have like stopped here for a loo break. Kohli, what's up?
चंगा
Entertain us. Guys, he's very entertaining. Entertain.
नाचूं
नाच. Rishikesh already and we are trying to find our hostel.
यार एक बार आया तो चला दे यार ये देख एक तो इसको हर चीज वीडियो में डाल
We just parked our car and we are moving towards our hostel. So guys, we finally reached our hostel. Shalom backpackers. So guys, we are at the Beatles Cafe, which is a very well-known cafe of Rishikesh, and we came with his recommendation. He's a very nice guy. He's a very sweet guy, and he's not rude at all.
Of course, I am.
No matter how rude you get to him, but
I'll be sweet to
he would be always sweet to you.
Exactly.
So yeah, thanks a lot, Ishan.
Thank you.
Baki will review the food later.
Yeah, sure.
To Rishikesh, guys. This is our hostel. Shalom Backpackers. It's 3 levels. It's on 3 levels, and we are in the common area, and we're just chilling here, all of us, and it's nice. It's a good view from here. You can see the Ganga. So we are staying here for just one night, and tomorrow we'll be exploring Rishikesh and we'll be going for some adventure activities. This is our only night here, and we're just having fun. Yes.
If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it?
guys, since I couldn't do the bungee jumping or the giant, what was that? Giant swing. So now we're going for river rafting, and I won't have my phone to record it, but I'll still try. But let's see. We are ready to go on the raft, and these guys are deciding on something I don't even know about. क्या कर रहे हो? Hey guys.
Welcome to Unaligned.
Welcome to Unaligned.
Please like and subscribe.
आ रहे हैं और मैं और ईशान आगे
Let it
Taking a little break from our rafting, and we're having some Maggie and tea here. With our river rafting, and we are just outside, like just there at the Lakshman Jhula, and it has lit up at this time. And where are our people? We have no idea. Sugar वो नहीं क्या बोलेगा what will you say?
पता नहीं यूट्यूब में आने को मेरी कितनी बेइज्जती होगी और मेरे को ये नहीं कराना
ऐसा हो रहा है
नहीं I'm a very good guy and nice guy and my number is 9999
एक काम कर खोल लॉक कर पैसे फिर लॉक कर फोन रख लिया बट पुल्ली ना अब चार्जर एक बैग तैयार कर करना कल सुन होल्ड ऑन इजी डरना ठीक है